Many Americans returned to work this week after taking time off for Thursday's Thanksgiving holiday. While many people chose to stay home for the holiday, others traveled and gathered with loved ones. Health officials and elected leaders are worried that may prompt greater spread of the coronavirus. With more than 4 million cases reported in the United States in November, double October's count, there could be a surge on top of the current surge, said Dr. Anthony Fauci, director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases.
Now, we don't want to frighten people, but that's just the reality. We said that these things would happen as we got into the cold weather and as we began traveling, and they've happened. It's going to happen again.
Facing an increase in cases, Los Angeles County, the nation's most populated, ordered new shutdown measures, including a 3-week stay-at-home order beginning this week. In its final stretch of the regular season, the National Football League has ordered team facilities closed for in-person activities. But New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio announced elementary schools would open, reversing an earlier decision. Officials have been criticized throughout the U.S. for allowing indoor dining and for bars to remain open while schools are closed. Medical experts have noted that young children don't spread the virus like adults do.
So let's try to get the kids back, but let's try to mitigate the things that maintain and just push the kind of community spread that we're trying to avoid. And those are the things that you know well. The bars, the restaurants where you have capacity seating indoors without masks. Those are the things that drive the community spread, not the schools.
With hope of a vaccination on the horizon, Fauci and other public health officials are urging the public to continue with safety procedures, wearing masks, avoiding crowds, keeping a physical distance from others. U.S. advisors chosen by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention are meeting this week to decide how to distribute initial supplies of a vaccine once one receives government approval. Michelle Quinn, VOA News.